Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the GOVO GOBUDS 600 True Wireless Earbuds. On the front of the box, we simply have an image of the earbuds in its charging case. On the left hand side, we have the model name. On the right hand side, we have a few of the salient features which include rich sound, long battery life, Bluetooth version 5.0, voice assistant functionality, and touch controls. On the bottom, there simply is some GOVO branding. Same on the top. On the back, we have some of the importing and manufacturing information right here. To the right of that, we have the customer care information. Over here, we have the BIS certification symbol. And on the bottom, we have the links for the into guide. This can help you get started off with using the product and understand its various functions and features. Next, we have this card on which once again the social media handles and the website links have been repeated, and on the back is the warranty information. We also have a QR code that can help you register for the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next is the charging cable. It has a USB Type A interface on one end and a USB Type C interface on the other. The total length of the cable is approximately 10 inches. We have also been given two additional ear tips in a size larger and a size smaller than the ones that are already fit on the earbud. While we have the earbud in hand, we can see that it has a glossy black color scheme going for it. The stem has a triangular design. It also has some GOVO branding on it, and on the bottom of the stem there is a little LED light. On this side, we have the two contact points for the charging, and we have the indication about which earbud it is. This one is marked R, meaning that it is for the right ear. The other one is almost exactly the same, except that it has been marked as L to indicate that it is for the left ear. Coming to the charging case, first impressions are that it is pretty compact and has a matte black color scheme going for it. Up top is the GOVO branding. On the bottom, we have the model number, and we have the input and output voltage figures on it. The input voltage is 5 volts at 1 ampere and output is 5 volts at 40 milliamps. Inside the case, we simply have the two slots for the earbuds, and they fit in magnetically. So once they are inside, they will not come out. The magnet is quite strong. To get started with using the earbuds, first we will need to remove the earbuds from the charging case, and inside the charging case we can also see that there are 4 LED lights to indicate how much charge the charging case itself has left. And now it's in pairing mode. Next, we will go into the available devices section of the Bluetooth menu and look for it over there. Here we see it's called GOBUDS 600. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. Now that it is connected, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level of the earbuds are 100%. Now we can use these earbuds to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the GOVO GOBUDS 600 True Wireless Earphones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see